Man, it's windy today. So it's been a couple of days since I upgraded the firmware on the Insta360 GO 2 camera. So now I'm driving to test it out. We're on 422 Westbound, just past the Tripper exit. So going up to the Collegeville exit or Phoenixville exit, there's a stretch of bumpy roads. So we're gonna see how this works out. I would imagine it will be a little bit better, but we'll see. So this is the bumpy stretch, about a mile and a half, right before the Phoenixville Collegeville exit. I would imagine the camera is gonna do well. Yeah, it's bumpy here. I mean, I'm only doing 55. Cops let you high around right there. Still bumpy. Alright. Now this is smooth. So we're gonna go take a quick drive down by the golf course and see how this camera works with this updated firmware. It's nice out, but a little chilly today. Here's some bumpy road here, so let's see. This is actually the first time I'm taking this camera out driving a golf cart. Oh. So I forgot something up at the clubhouse, so I gotta go back and get it now. I mean, it's not a bad day out today. It's just a little windy and it's cloudy now. So that's never fun. Oh, these guys are they're just putting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, I don't have a BMX bike, so I haven't been able to try this out on a bicycle going on trails and stuff, so this is probably the closest I could get. It's pretty bumpy here, so hopefully the footage will turn out good. What's that?
Is it open?
No, I'm just setting up the things up. No, we're not open. Not yet, sorry.
Do you open? It's gonna be open later?
I have no idea when they would open. I'm sorry, I don't know.
No worries.
Okay. So the guy just asked me if I will open up the snack bar for the season, but unfortunately, I'm not. I don't work for the snack bar, so he's a little bit disappointed. Anyway. Now that I'm in the warehouse, it's kind of darker in here, and I could tell the footage is not that great compared to outside. So let's walk into this dark room here. I mean, it's not that bad inside. You know, it's still low light. All right, now I'm indoor at Micro Center. Just want to walk around and try out this footage indoor with this new firmware. It looks okay. It's just not broad daylight outside. Bright. It's kind of a lower light situation in here. It's decent. When it's low light, you know, the shutter speed goes a lot lower, so the stabilization doesn't work as well, I think. Okay, now it's about to be nighttime soon. The sun is about to set. So and I can already tell the footage is not that great right now. And also looking from all the footages from earlier, inside and outside, the summary is anything that is low light is not going to work great at all. Outside broad daylight, fine. Let me tell you, when I was in that golf cart, I was bouncing up and down really good, and the stabilization did a really good job. So, you know, the scenes like the warehouse, in the store, or in Wawa, they were okay. But if you really think about it, these cameras that are supposed to be portable and small, they're meant to be used outside anyway for action filming, and you wouldn't be doing those things when it's low light anyway, so it kind of makes sense. But you know, if they have a better camera that comes out, I'll check it out. Maybe I'll save some money for that, but until then, this is what I'm going to use for now, and I'm okay with it. So this kind of wraps up the video, and thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of yourself.